105 degrees Celsius today, same as yesterday. So yesterday we put some plates here, the corners, to provide additional strength to this framing. What else we did? We went around here at the bottom and cut some of the rotted pieces down there. Over here too. Goes all the way to the wheel. And we started back here. Today I actually got the siding out. That bottom, the board that goes here, the one at the bottom, it's also out. So we're gonna replace with a new one and then start framing up. There's nothing there. We'll probably change this. That's it for now.